pamahiin ba kayong sinusunod to be lucky?
If my mother were alive, she would probably kukulilingin nun ang ears ko na, do not do this kasi malas yan. Huwag ka magbayad ng Lunes kasi ganito, ganyan-ganyan. My total dependence is on the Lord. I am sure that He will not affect my financial status simply because nagbayad ako ng Lunes.
Okay. Ngayon, successful ka na. Galante ka ba o kuripot?
Gastadora kasi ako, Winnie. Even when I had no money.
Maraming shoe brands sa market. What makes you different from your competition?
As our slogan goes, the best of Filipino craftsmanship on the world's finest leather. Ang amin tao na gumagawa, tumanda na sa paggawa ng sapatos. Oo, so iba na ang skill na involved. And the Filipinos are famous for their craftsmanship.
Was there ever any time during your shoe business activities that you wanted to give up?
Never. I told you, Winnie, when there were times na tumatakbo ako sa nanay ko kasi tatalbog na yung aking cheque, ano. So, to me at the times, these were little failures. Hindi ako nag-give up kasi 5 ang bibig na pinapakain ko noon. Kung ako ay sumuko, di ba gugutom kami lahat, including me. And also, I do not believe that failure is failure per se. It is an opportunity to learn. And from these failures, I learned. Natuto ako kung mahina ako dito, then kukuha ako ng tao na mag-in charge dito. Oo. So, ang failure, hindi ba, pag nadapa ka, alangan naman doon ka na lang parating, di ba? Babangon at babangon ka.
Always.
At saka mas mag-iingat ka na ngayon na wala kang masalubong na bato.
Mga kapuso, let me just summarize a little of the points that I got. One is that she pays the right taxes. 2 is that she is very grateful to God. 3 is that she has made payments on that gratitude to God because she has helped people become entrepreneurs, people from the Correctional Institute of Women. These are things that should be part and parcel of every business, not just hers. And the last is, yes, she had a mother that she could run to in the final analysis, but remember, her mother did not give her all that she needed right at the very beginning. So this is an opportunity for us to really work hard for what we have. She was grateful for the lesson that her mother gave her, who she thought in the beginning was very selfish and did not want to help her. That, I think, are the things that we learn from our episode with Yoli Ging Pajaro. Mga kapuso, wag ko kayong susunod kay Ging dun sa mathematics na palaging failure siya, ha? Kailangan matuto kayo. I don't know how, but she obviously learned something. So thank you, Ging, for teaching us all these things. We hope that we can learn and we can apply. Thank you, mga kapuso, for being with us tonight.